It's been one of the best-selling sedans on the market for decades, and now Honda's Accord is getting a complete makeover for 2023. What's up, folks? I'm Dave Undercoffler, editor-in-chief of Autolist.com, a sister company to CarGurus. Honda's midsize Accord sedan is all new and now in its 11th generation. It's got a fresh new look on the outside, an all-new interior with new tech on the inside, and a powertrain strategy that now focuses on hybrids. We got an early look at this pre-production model, so let's go take a deeper dive. But before we do, like and subscribe to this channel so you can get alerts on all of our future updates. Also, if you have a car to sell, you can do 100% of that online with CarGurus. You'll get offers sourced from our nationwide network of thousands of dealers, and we'll coordinate your car getting picked up and you getting paid. So as you can see, some of the biggest changes Honda made for 2023 were to the exterior styling. So let's take a look. Overall, as you can see, it's a little cleaner, a little more elegant and understated than the previous generation. The size of this vehicle is about the same as the outgoing version, although the length is up a little bit, and this hood is also a little bit longer than before. This is a top-end touring trim, so as you can see, some of the grills are going to be a little different than they will be on the base models. Moving along the side, this touring trim also has these unique silver and black alloy wheels. Those are 19-inch. Lower trims, some of the base models will get 17-inch alloy wheels, while some of the mid-grade trims will get different 19-inch rims. Moving to this car's silhouette, if you remember on the 10th generation Accord, that's when Honda introduced this sort of fastback profile. They carried it over here. Finally, at the rear of the Accord, you have perhaps the most dramatic styling of the entire car. You have this horizontal light treatment. This is sort of a look you're seeing throughout a bunch of different brands on the market today, so that's nice that Honda integrated that there. And despite it looking like a fastback, this is still a true sedan, and Honda says it still has the most space of any sedan in its segment. And now to powertrains. For this new generation, Honda is expanding its hybrid offerings. So what does that mean? Well, rather than being offered as a separate version of the Accord, the hybrid powertrain is now just integrated and offered on the higher end trims. So that means that the 1.5-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine will be standard on the base model, which is the LX, and then the EX. The remaining 4 trims in the Accord lineup will get this hybrid powertrain. This hybrid powertrain uses a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine and a pair of electric motors for 204 total horsepower. And if you're keeping score at home, yes, that means that the 2-liter turbocharged engine with the 10-speed automatic that used to be on the high trim levels of the Accord, that's no more. Because this is a pre-production model, we don't yet have fuel economy numbers, so we'll get back to you as soon as we do. So what do you guys think? Will you miss the 2-liter turbocharged engine that was on the high trim levels of the previous Accord? Is this hybrid powertrain up to the task? Let us know in the comments below. Now to the interior, and as you might imagine, it's an all-new generation, so it gets an all-new interior. Although if you've seen the new CR-V or a recent Civic or even the HR-V, some of this is going to look sort of the same. This kind of honeycomb design is sort of carried over from some of those other models, but to me, that's not a bad thing. I really like it. This is a nice-looking cabin. Again, this is the top touring trim, so this has a 12.3-inch color touchscreen navigation system here. All of the hybrid models will also have that. The gas versions, that's the LX and the EX, will have a 7-inch screen here. But what's cool is that all Accord models, no matter which trim you choose, will get a 10.2-inch digital screen for the instrument panel, and I really like that. A couple of other really nice features that I like about this cabin that you notice the minute you get in this car. First of all, the seats are really comfortable. I love that. Can't wait to spend some time behind the wheel. That's nice. Another thing is that there's a physical volume knob. Kudos to Honda for using that rather than a touchscreen. You've also got wireless smartphone charging down here and wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay on the hybrid models. That's really nice. Base models that are the gas engines, you will need to plug it in for that connectivity. Finally, there's a feature that only will come on this touring trim, and that's Google built in. So this entire operating system actually uses Google. So it has integrated Google Maps, Google Play, and Google Assistant. That's pretty cool. As you can see right now, I've got Google Maps pulled up. It's very clear, very easy to use. It's a nice feature. Unfortunately, it's only on the touring, so if you want it, you're gonna have to step up to the big bucks. All right, folks, there you have it, a quick look at the all-new 2023 Honda Accord. It's sleeker, it's bigger, and it packs more tech. It goes on sale in January of 2023. So for reviews or listings of this Accord or anything else you're shopping for, be sure to check out CarGurus.com. And before you go, like and subscribe to our channel so you can get alerts on all of our future updates. Thanks for watching.